naman. Hindi naman kami nasa stop in one place. Let's go! Yan, dito na kami sa airport. At check-in na rin using their self-check-in machine. And then, ito, drop lang ng baggage. Naka-check-in na, breakfast muna. Dito kami sa as usual, Pancake House. What will we have? Okay, so ito lang na.
Cash payment or Gcash?
Walang credit card. Sige. Okay. So, yan. Naka-order na kami. And here's everyone. Happy birthday to the birthday boy.
Thank you. Medyo gutom na.
Ano ba yun? So, yan. Dumadating na ako.
Ipalagay mo sa kanya. Nalaloka na siya sa'yo.
Sobra-sobra.
Roast beef.
Oras ka ma?
Breaded pork. And Salisbury. Wala pa order ko. Punta na kami sa gate. Medyo mas marami ng tao sa airport compared nung last na makapag-airport kami. So, dito na kami sa boarding gate namin, which is gate number 132. Pero yung mga bata, inayaan na muna namin sila sa taas. So, mas maluwag kasi doon. Na ang pila. Uy, under na kami. We've been stuck here for I think roughly 30 minutes. Kasi meron yan lighting alert now. But we're now moving, and so unfortunately Philip and Lawrence were left inside airport, but they should be following. So near and yet so far. Finally,
We are now ready to depart for Davila. The command of the aircraft is Captain Noel Cunanan. KBS is held by First Officer Alistair Macario Ignacio.
very gloomy and umulan pa nga sa Manila when we left. Maganda naman na weather dito sa init sa buhok. So,
Of your aircraft has been completed.
na kami.
The same aircraft will be utilized as D259 and will depart Bangladesh as soon as possible. May we request all passengers who flight to stay inside the pre-departure area and stand by for your flight boarding.
On the Bohol Airport.
Good afternoon, very nice. Passenger Molly, Justin.
So, nandito na kami. And driving to our resort. There's everyone. Yan sila. Ito na entrance. Thank you. Nabigyan mo yung driver. Waiting lang kami para maka-check-in na. Yan. Waiting lang kami para maka-check-in na. Yan. Check-in na kami. Okay, so now dito na kami sa room namin and it's very similar dun sa Henan Boracay, like you have the two bed setup where one is a queen bed and one is a single bed. So that one and then that one. I think that's a queen bed, but it may
Lima
be
po kami dito.
but it may be a double bed. I'm not sure.
Alam mo, sayang isang kama.
Pero syempre, merong balcony.
No? Maganda.
Yan. So, overlooking sa pool ang balcony. Yan. Mainit sa labas. So, upon entering the door, on your right, you will see yung cabinet. It's a good thing na they provided umbrellas. Minsan kasi mainit. And pag tag-ulan din, syempre useful. And then, you have this safe. Hangers, drawers. They also provided slippers. And then, to my left is already the bathroom. Yeah, you can see the big mirror already. And of course, ayan, open na naman ang window or see-through ang window ng bathroom. Pero may shade yan. Later on, ibaba natin. And the vanity, lavatory, the toilet is over here. So yes, it's pretty big. And I like it na meron silang separate shower area. So, kung hindi ka magbabathtub, di mo kailangan doon maligo. Hindi ka akit ng bathtub. And then, ito na yung main room. So, there are the beds. And, meron ditong bottled water at saka water heater. Dito naman ang TV. Di ko sure kung smart TV siya. And over here is the vanity area na malaki mirror. I like it. And dito sa before the balcony, merong sofa para kung, you know, sofa and table kung gusto mong coffee or kung may kakainin ka. And then that's the balcony. Muna kami sa baba para kumain kasi gutom na.
Door open. Door closing.
Ayan, dito ang ground floor. I think dito sa banda rito. What's that? And then what's this? Okay, so punta kami sa Seabreeze Restaurant and to get there we are going through the pool. Di ba pakanan daw? Hindi kaya yan? Eto. Okay, dito kami ngayon sa Seabreeze Cafe nila. This will be our first meal here in Bohol, Henan, Alona Beach. So, malapit kami sa pool area. Actually, ko makikita. There, yeah. Kami sa pool area. And yung beach nandun sa banda. Okay, dito ang aming dinner para sa birthday boy.